Welcome to my June Plan With Me video, where I'll be setting up the monthly pages of my bullet journal for June. If this is your first video of mine you're seeing, what's up? I'm Sarah, and Plantful is my space to share about bullet journaling, which is my biggest hobby because it allows me to express myself creatively while at the same time organizing my life. So it's just a really good time. So with that, let's jump into the video. My monthly theme for June is actually inspired by my new YouTube intro, which just played a few seconds ago. As a huge plant lover, I love the look of plants creating a frame around something like in my intro, so I decided to bring that to my monthly cover page for June. I sketched out my monthly pages beforehand because it makes the filming process go a lot more smoothly for me and more quickly, so that I don't run out of battery on my camera as quickly. I did end up running out of battery once while filming this video, and thank goodness I didn't lose any footage. I was so happy, you guys, because I've had that happen before and losing footage is just not fun. Anyways, the black pen that I'm using throughout this whole video is a Tombow mono drawing pen in the size 04. It's my favorite fine liner because it dries quickly and it doesn't smudge when I erase the pencil marks underneath or when I color over it with the markers that I use. I'll have all the info about the pens and notebooks that I use linked down below for you guys so you can check them out easily. Next, I used a roll of washi tape to outline a few overlapping circles in the middle of the page. I was going for kind of like a messy vibe with this, and using the washi tape was actually kind of a struggle to draw these circles, as you can see right here. You can also see my pain at this moment as I realized that the calendar I drew in the center of the circle was totally off center and looking kind of like yikes. I honestly just stared at the page with regret for a few minutes and then decided to try and fix it by pasting some paper over it and redoing it. This actually worked out pretty well. Next, I'm coloring in the page with a few different shades of green, and later on in this theme I'll also be using purple and peach as some kind of like accent colors. Let me know in a comment if you guys dig the plant theme and the color scheme, and that kind of rhymes. I couldn't decide if I wanted to go with a peach or purple along with the green, so I just decided to go for both, and I kind of dig how it turned out.
Let me tell you something. And if you break my heart, baby, I might fall apart like a fragile piece of art. I just might fall apart. And if you break my heart, baby, I might fall apart like a fragile piece of art. I just might fall apart. If you break my heart, baby, I might fall apart like a fragile piece of art. I just might fall apart. And if you break my heart, baby, I might fall apart like a fragile piece of art. I just might fall apart. Keep it cool. Keep it cool. Yeah. We gon' keep it cool. Keep it cool. Even though I know I'm made for you. Made for you, made for you tonight. We gon' keep it cool. Keep it cool. Tonight we gon' keep it cool. Keep it cool. Even though I know I'm made for you. Made for you, baby, tonight. We gon' keep it cool. Keep it cool. And if you break my heart, baby, I might fall apart like a fragile piece of art. I just might.
Okay, before we move on to the next page, I'm so excited to show you guys my June Plantful mail. If you didn't know, I create stickers based on each of my monthly themes for a tier on my Patreon page called Plantful Mail. Each month I send out 2 Kiss Cut sticker sheets for journaling and 1 die cut waterproof sticker that you can use anywhere you want. So here are the 2 sticker sheets and some little up close shots, and then I'll show you guys the die cut right after. The last day to sign up for the June Plantful mail is June 14th, and then I'll be shipping them out on June 15th. I've also been getting some questions about shipping, so I wanted to let you guys know that I do ship internationally for these, and shipping is included in the cost, so it's not extra. Now let's move on to my second page, which is a mood tracker. I sketched out a ton of tiny potted plants for each day of June on this page, so 31 to be exact. And on each day I'll color in a plant to mark my mood for that day. It's a pretty self-explanatory spread, so I'll just let you watch the rest.
I know I can be safe with you. You want me now, I know you do. I know you're being patient and I love you for that. You show me how to dare to love. So tell me what you're thinking of. Cause I won't be afraid, not holding anything back. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I never know felt like this before.
Yeah, we all alone. Just me and my phone. Don't know what's going on. So my body at home. All week I've been working. See me cook, see me fry dumpling. Watch the news, tell me spread bad things. Want me ear, nothing me liking. Tell me read.
Then my next spread is a gratitude tracker, which is a place to write a line of gratitude each day. I left a space near the top open for the greenhouse sticker that I showed earlier, and then I'll be going over the rest of the page in pen and then in color. I think a page of gratitude like this is so beneficial in my own life, even though I try to live with a sense of gratitude every day and for everything that I'm doing. Sometimes the days go by quickly and I'm so busy that this page serves as a reminder more than anything for me to come back to gratitude at the end of the day and find something positive in the day, no matter how it went.
Look at the internet. Bare mess. Man, I like stress. So I dress up and look my best. See my shirt and my pants, them press. I'm a 10, nothing less. Call my friends, them impress. Play a tune and see me move. Start dance. See me turn. Yeah, hands. It's a weeknight, but we don't care. Still one. Party for one. Yeah, we all alone. Just me and my phone. Don't know what's going on. So my body at home. See me dance when we pull up the beat. Wish we could be in the street. Just me and my phone. Party at home.
My final spread for June is a greenhouse coloring page that I'm using the same colors from my theme to color in. I love having non-functional spreads throughout my journal because, like I said before, having a place to practice creativity is so essential for me. By the way, this coloring page is also available on my Patreon for June as a printable. So here's a final overview of all my June monthlies. Thank you so much for watching the whole video. I know it's kind of a longer one, but I wanted to show you my process without having to speed it up too much like usual. Please let me know what you thought of it, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye!